this goddamn house key to your car.
Doors
Michael!
unlocked.
Get out of here! Oh, hell no!
That's not what I'm saying at all.
That's what I'm saying!
But you're wrong! Dude, okay, let me explain this to you. Okay, let me try to explain this to you in simpler terms. You don't show me any English. When's the last time you showed me an ounce of spit in the face?
Do white and green shit on your ass! I don't even think you're a liar!
You basically spit in the face. Okay, I bought you a shit. I bought you a dildo. No, I'm just saying. Don't fuck. Don't fuck. What did I do here?
Get the key to your car.
Don't bring down a hurdle. This is family shit, Michael. That's not what I'm saying at all. That's what I'm saying. This is the wrong thing. All right.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god!
So let me ask you a question, Dad.
What?
Question, Dad.
And look, I've been in the goddamn fryer for 2 hours! Yeah, I work in a couple.
How much you want? You just want one?
That's nasty!
What the hell?
Oh my god!
Oh my God!
Whoa! I can't eat it!
About that. This bad. Oh. You're gonna throw up. Ow! Ow! Oh, gee, hell no. Ow! Dude! Ow! Oh, he's funny! Fucking filling that bad.
Still there!
What's the verdict?
It's sus!
Okay, chill out. Would you relax a little bit?